Hi there and welcome to the Computer Coach. I'm Himayat and hope you're all fine and feeling well. This is the second lesson of Windows 11 and in this video we're gonna start practical work. So be with me. Before I start, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for my more videos. Thanks for watching this video as well. So whenever we click the right button of the mouse, we face with this menu everywhere on this icon, on the taskbar, on start menu, everywhere. So whenever I right click on a blank space of the desktop, here I have this menu, and this is called pop-up menu. So we're gonna start our second lesson from this pop-up menu, and the first thing here is written, it's view. So what is view? View, here it means look. Okay, so view, this option is really for icons. Like, it means that how do you want icons to be shown for you? Like, do you want these icons to be large, small, medium, to be miss, or to be next to each other? Whatever you want, you can make the setting of the icon from pop-up menu view. So let's get started. The first thing here, it's written large icons. So what does it mean by large icons? Whenever you want to make these icons larger than its medium size, you can simply choose large icons and it's largest, like it's the largest. Okay, so you can make your icon larger, like it's your choice if you want. But if you don't like the large icon size, simply right click and come to the view. In here we have medium icon also, so you can choose the medium icon, and here it's not large and it's also not small, it's like 50-50. Yeah, of course. So if you are not comfortable with this also and you want smaller than this, so you're gonna come to the pop-up menu view. In here we have small icons, and right click the small icons. The icons are gonna be small for you, and I really so uncomfortable with that small icons, and I really prefer to have medium icon, and it's so good and better. Moreover, we have got shortcuts here. The shortcut for the large icon is Control plus Shift plus 2, and for the medium icon is Control plus Shift plus 3, and for small icons we have Control plus Shift plus 4. So whenever I come here and on keyboard, Control Shift 3 and Control Shift 2, now it's large. Control Shift 3, it's now medium, and Control Shift 4, it's now small. So you can have the shortcut also, and I really recommend Control Shift 3 for myself, like medium icon. So next I come here to the pop-up menu and view. Here I have got 3 more options. The first one, it's written to arrange icons. What does it mean by to arrange icons? I come here, I will little, like, whenever we move one icon from one place to another place, it's called drag and drop. So I'm gonna drag and drop some of the icons. Okay, so I drag and drop like these icons. So my desktop, I have a messy desktop, and I want my desktop to be arranged automatically. So simply what you're gonna do, right click on a taskbar and come to the right click on a desktop menu and come to the pop-up menu view. In here it's written to arrange icons. Simply click to arrange icons and it's gonna be arranged automatically. And it should be noticed that when to arrange icons, it's the mark is on and it's marked, you are not able to drag and drop an application as well. You see, you're not able to drag and drop an application. But if you want to drag and drop applications, just simply go to the view and turn off, like unmark to arrange icons. It's like you're gonna move any applications you want, like you're gonna drag and drop it as you wish. Come to the pop-up menu view. Here we have align icons to grid. What does it mean, align icons to grid? And it is, if we see, it's already marked. What does mean? We see the spaces between lines, you know, it's like I'm talking about these space, like it's lined properly, not messed up here. And if I want, and I have, if I want icon to be with each other, next to each other like this, it won't happen ever, never. Why? Because we have chosen here align icons to grid. But if I unmark align icon to grid and I want this icon to be here, it will be here. It's no problem. Like we can you know, move icons next to each other, but it's not gonna be like grid, you know, it's moving, skipping, you know, it's not gonna be like if you want, you can design your desktop as well, any design you want like this, you know. So I really don't recommend that, because it's really, I can't really open an icon, or I can see the names also. You see this PC is hiding the names hidden, the recycled bin names also hidden, you know. I know like from icon, but I want the name also. So I want my desktop to be like, to be cleaned and so looking. So therefore, in for making this, simply right click, pop-up menu, come to the view and mark align icons to grid. Mark, and here it's like, it's so good now, here it's lined properly. So you can, like, it's your choice, but I prefer like this. The last option, right click, pop-up menu, in the view we have got show desktop icon. What does mean by show desktop icons? It means that you can see the desktop icons right now, but if I want to hide the desktop icons, you can simply right click, come to the view, in here I gonna turn off and unmark the show desktop icons, unmark, and I can see the desktop icons. Oh, where it is? Well, it's actually not deleted, not removed, it's hidden. Okay, it is hidden. uh, uh, if you really want to unhide this top icon, simply right click, pop up menu view, in here you can mark the show desktop, in mark, in here you can see here are your desktop icons. So our next video is gonna be about sort by and refresh. So be with me in my next video, please. If you like the channel and the video, the lesson, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for my next video. If you have any questions, let me know in a comment. Assalamu alaikum, bye.